Welcome this video. Create a pergola can be a fantastic way to enhance your outdoor space, provide both aesthetic charm and functional benefit. Whether you look for a choosy retreat and elegant entertain area or a principal way to provide shade, pergola can in various style and design that controlling to different defined need and taste belong. We explored a range of pergola idea to inspire your next outdoor project. Classic wood pergola, a traditional wood pergola is a timeless choice that complement various aesthetic style. Other for natural wood like blending or redwood, which are drying and weather resisting. Some are provide the wood to match your home experience or later its weather nature for a rustic look. Add charm plants like for a touch of natural beauty. Modern minimalist pagalon for a sleeve and contemporary look. Choose a pagalo with clean line and maximize of the natural material like stone and compost like wood work well for this style. Natural look such as black, white or growing can enhance the modern aesthetic, incorporating LED lights or red for add functionally. pergola with resenting cupping, rotating cupping pergola often flexibility allow you to adjust the level of sunlight or shape as need. Choose for fiber in various colors and palette to sub your design theme. Provide at make it easy to create the provide atmosphere for any other bungalow with budget inset. Maximize functional by interior set into your bungalow design. Built in branch is select can create a choosy gathering by palette in weather resisting for comfort and style incorporating story compartment under the set to keep outdoor hub gardening bungalow enhance your gardening with a bungalow that double as a traditional for climax plant design the structure for two frame of gardening part away such as a focal point. Amel, your landscape use material that blend seamless with your gardening aesthetic such as natural wood, warm iron, poolside bungalow. Create a lush poolside set with a bungalow design for relax feature like such long chair and side table. For add, consider install a framework structure or even max board waterproof material like or trend wood water are enhanced for this set. Rustic farmhouse bungalow. A rustic farmhouse bungalow, charm and warm. Use reclaimed wood, burn static and think look. Decoration with such lights for embrace. Print the structure with awareness. Farmhouse, table for family style design. Bungalow with outdoor kitchen. Turn your bungalow into an outdoor climbing have by incorporating and outdoor kitchen controllers and story to make metal proof easy. Add a berm with stone paper style and add installing a bungalow proof to provide the elements. Bungalow with a fire pit. Create a atmosphere and by convenience your bungalow with a fire pit set around the fire pit for an invite area. Use material like stone to bring the to compose the design of your bungalow. Add lights lecturing for experiencing warm and charm. Bungalow with solar panel. Companion comprehensive with style by incorporating solar panel into your bungalow. Use the panel to power outdoor light, finish other